Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss FSC Biology chapter number 5 MCQs. MCQs number 1. So far over dash number of species of animals are known. Option A 0.5 million, option B 1 million, option C 1.5 million, option D 2 million. Option C is correct. 1.5 million species of animals are known. Next MCQ, which of the following category is most general with its member less resembling with each other than the other categories? Option A species, option B genus, option C family, option D order. Option D is correct, order. Next MCQ, Solanum tuberosum is scientific name of. Option A onion, option B amalthas, option C potato, option D tomato. Option C is correct. Solanum tuberosum is scientific name of potato. Next MCQ. Allium cepa is the scientific name of. Option A onion, option B amalthas, option C potato, option D tomato. Option A is correct. Allium cepa is scientific name of onion. Next MCQ. Those organisms which can prepare their own food from simple inorganic material and can store energy are called. Option A autotroph, option B heterotroph, option C prokaryotic, option D eukaryotic. ऑप्शन ए ऑटोट्रॉफ. ऑटोट्रॉफ वो ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो अपनी खुराक खुद तैयार करते हैं. नेक्स्ट MCQ. विच ऑफ द यूग्लिना a protista character resemble that of animals? Option A they can move, option B they lack cell wall, option C they do not have chlorophyll, option D both A and B. Option B is correct, they lack cell wall. Next MCQ. The word which each atom suggests for bacteria and blue-green algae. Option A heterotroph, option B autotroph, option C prokaryotic, option D eukaryotic. Option C is correct, prokaryotic. Next MCQ. Organism of which of the following kingdom have an absorptive mode of nutrition? Option A prokaryote, option B protista, option C animalia, option D fungi. Option D fungi is correct. Fungi have absorptive mode of nutrition. Next MCQ. Which of the following organism have chitin as major structural component of their cell wall? Option A prokaryote, option B protista, option C plantae, option D fungi. Option D is correct. Fungi have chitin as major structural component of their cell wall. Next MCQ. Five kingdom classification was proposed by. फाइव किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन किसने पेश किया? ऑप्शन ए कार्लस लीनियस, ऑप्शन बी ई चैटन, ऑप्शन सी रॉबर्ट विटेकर. ऑप्शन सी इज़ करेक्ट. रॉबर्ट विटेकर ने 5 किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन की बुनियाद रखी. नेक्स्ट MCQ. अमीबा बिलोंग्स टू विच किंगडम? अमीबा का ताल्लुक किस किंगडम से है? ऑप्शन ए प्रोकैरियोट, ऑप्शन बी प्लांटी, ऑप्शन सी मोनेरा, ऑप्शन डी प्रोटिस्टा. Option D is correct. Kingdom Protista. Amoeba belongs to Protista. Next MCQ. Kingdom Protista includes option A prokaryotic organism, option B unicellular organism, option C fungi, option D eukaryotic organism. Option B and C both are correct. Kingdom Protista contain eukaryotic unicellular organism. Another name for Kingdom Monera is Protista. Option B prokaryote, option C archaea, option D none of these. Option B is correct. Prokaryote is another name of Kingdom Monera. Next MCQ. The word virus is derived from Latin word venom, meaning. Option C is correct. Poisonous fluid. Venom means poisonous fluid. Next MCQ. DNA or RNA of virus is enclosed in dash coat. Option A protein, option B carbohydrate, option C lipid, option D DNA. Option A is correct. प्रोटीन. DNA और RNA एक प्रोटीन कोट के अंदर इनक्लोज होते हैं जिसे हम कैप्सिड कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट MCQ. vaccine was discovered by? Option A Louis Pasteur, option B Edward Jenner, option C Von Whisky, option D Stanley. Option B is correct. एडवर्ड जेनर ने वैक्सीन डिस्कवर की. नेक्स्ट MCQ. The name bacteriophage was coined by? Option A Charles Chamberlain, option B Von Whisky, option C Stewart, option D Harrell. Option D is correct. D Harrell. Next MCQ. The size of smallest virus is? Option A 10 nanometer, option B 20 nanometer, option C 30 nanometer, option D 40 nanometer. Option B is correct. Size of smallest virus is 20 nanometer. Next MCQ. The size of pox virus is? Option A 20 nanometer, option B 200 nanometer, option C 250 nanometer. 250 nanometer is correct answer. Next MCQ. Viruses are dash smaller than bacteria. वायरसेस कितने गुना बैक्टीरिया से स्मॉल होते हैं? ऑप्शन ए 10 to 100 टाइम्स, ऑप्शन बी 10 to 1000 टाइम्स, ऑप्शन सी 100 to 1000 टाइम, ऑप्शन डी 1000 to 10,000 टाइम. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट 10 to 1000 टाइम्स. विच ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट अबाउट वायरसेस इज इनकरेक्ट? कौन सी स्टेटमेंट वायरस के बारे में इनकरेक्ट है? Option C is incorrect about virus. They can synthesize their nucleic acid. Next MCQ. Protein subunit of capsid are called capsomer. Is the characteristic of each virus. The number in herpes virus is? Option A 100, option B 152, option C 162, option D 172. Option C is correct. 162 capsomer are present in herpes virus. Next MCQ. Protein code. The capsid of adenovirus is? Option A surrounded by genome, option B surrounding genome, option C surrounding the envelope, option D both B and C. Option B is correct. Protein of adenovirus is surrounding genome and adenovirus is non-envelope virus. Next MCQ. The agent of controversial nature causing mad cow infection is? Option A bacteria, option B cowpox virus, option D adenovirus, option C prion. Option D is correct. Prion. It is controversial in nature. Why it is controversial in nature? Because it is made up of protein. Next MCQ. A viron is? Option A is correct. Virus. Next MCQ. An isolated virus is not considered living since it cannot metabolize. Option B is correct. Bacteriophage that infect E. coli are called T-type. Next MCQ. Attachment of the bacteriophage with the receptor site on the bacterial cell involves? Option A strong covalent bond between viron and the receptor site. Option B weak chemical union between them. Option B is correct. Weak chemical union between them. Next MCQ. In the life cycle of bacteriophage, which step occurs after the attachment of prophage with the receptor site of the bacterial cell wall? Option A absorption, option B multiplication, option C lysogeny, option D penetration. After attachment, penetration occurs. So option D is correct. Next MCQ. Which of the following is incorrect for the lysogenic cycle in the life cycle of bacteriophage? Option A phage when gets incorporated with the bacterial chromosome is called prophage. It is correct. The bacterium continues to live and reproduce normally. It is also correct. Lysogenic bacteria may get infected by the related phage. It is incorrect option. Next MCQ. In the lysogenic cycle, the process of separation of phage DNA from the host chromosome and initiation of the lytic cycle is called induction. Next MCQ. In the lytic cycle of bacteriophage, the host DNA is? Option A, replicated. Option B, turned off by the protein coat. Option C, digested into its nucleotides. Option C is correct. Next MCQ, in the lysogenic cycle, the DNA of bacteriophage joins the bacterial chromosome. Option A is correct. Next MCQ, temperate phage may exist as option A, prophage. Option B, capsid. Option C, viron. Option D, retrovirus. Option A is correct. Next MCQ, tobacco mosaic virus is option B, rod shape. Next MCQ, which of the following is an RNA virus? Option A is correct. Influenza virus is RNA virus. Next MCQ, which of the following disease result in paralysis due to viral attack of central nervous system? Option D is correct. Polio. Polio disease result in paralysis due to attack on central nervous system. Next MCQ, an enzyme which can convert single stranded RNA into double stranded viral DNA is called reverse transcriptase. Next MCQ, which of the following virus has special affiliation with the tumor production? Option B is correct, retrovirus. Next MCQ, which of the following is the smallest known virus? Option A, hepatitis virus. Option B, retrovirus. Option C, poliovirus. Option D, pox virus. Option C, polio virus. Next MCQ, complex symptoms like severe pneumonia, vascular tumor, sudden weight loss, swollen lymph nodes, and immune deficiency are feature of AIDS. Next MCQ, which of the following statement about AIDS is incorrect? Option A is a host-specific disease. Option, an infected mother cannot pass the virus to her baby. This is incorrect about AIDS. Next MCQ, mode of transmission of hepatitis A is through feces. Option B is correct. Next MCQ, which one of the following especially result in chronic liver disease leading to hepatic failure? Option A, HAV. Option B, HBV. Option C, HCV. Option D, HEV. Option C is correct, hepatitis C virus. Next MCQ, for which of the following no preventive vaccine is available? Option C is correct, hepatitis C virus. इसके लिए कोई प्रिवेंटिव वैक्सीन अवेलेबल नहीं है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.